All right, so I think I can also share the StreamYard Studio over here as well. Funny that I'm sharing a screen share, so yeah, let's do it. Let's do it. So I can present another screen right here, I think. So yeah, let's get started. So the winner, keep in mind that the winner, the winners win a total of 2,000 USD, right? So and the let's okay. So without further ado, guys, let me just announce the winners from the fifth place with the total of how many points we have here. With for the fifth place of the Athena Agent Contest Autopilot Edition, with a total of 65.5 points, we got AI Peach Architect by Jessica. So let me just show the screen here so everybody can see it. And let me just add it to the stage. Share screen, yes, here. Oh yeah, the YouTube one should be on the other side. Yeah, the YouTube one should share the StreamYard over here. Yeah, so and yeah, so the number 5 at the fifth place, we have the AI Peach Architect. So yeah, I'm just gonna read it, right? The AI Peach Architect automatically convert any raw startup idea into polished 10 slide investor deck, complete with market analysis. Right? I think this one, I was joking about this one myself. Like I can probably use this agent and like just gather ideas over the internet to like just trend everything and build like thousands of pitch deck and then blast that to the to the angel investors or the VC and then see how that goes, right? Uh, yeah, I forgot to add that to the stage, but yeah, I'll do it right now. So let me do this, right? So yeah, essentially, this is what it is. Hope on the YouTube one I got. Yes, on the YouTube, I have this screen as well. So yeah, so essentially that it is. So this is a so Jessica, congratulations winning $70, I think. So that's what we're winning here. So that's what Jessica is winning, $70. So the next one, let's go to the next one here. So the fourth place, we have Louisiana with Deal Scott. So this is the one. Share the screen. Yes. Uh, I think the share screen screws up again. Let me just re-add it to StreamYard. Wait, what happened here? Add to the stage. Can you guys still see me? I find it pretty strange here. I'm doing like a double share screen right now. That's why it's pretty hard to see it. Right. So now, oh, am I still with a Peach Architect, or am I with a Deal Scott? Hold on a second. Like the StreamYard UI is a bit screwed up right now. Okay, now I think you guys see it. So that's a fourth. That's a fourth place, right? Winning how much? $130 USD. And by the way, if it's Canadian, if you're against Canadian, I'm just going to do the conversion, right? So the very standard conversion. So, uh, So the deal scholars automate product pricing tracking across key e-commerce sites. You monitor select item, compare current and past prices, and send alert when price change. This helps companies save time and find the best purchase opportunity. And thank you, Luciana, for the for this autopilot. Up next, we have Kalangid with Hot Flip. Let me just share that one instead. Share this tab instead. So, whoops. Again, I think we drop it. Right, so let's stop. Let me just again stop sharing that. Let me share on the YouTube one, and then let me share that on the YouTube, and let me share on StreamYard. Let me just do that again. Yeah, every time. I think the next time I'm just gonna change URL. That's it. Right. So Hot Flip. Yeah, congratulations to Hot Flip over here. So we have so Hot Flip is an automated trend spotting autopilot that scans social media, right? Resell marketplaces, coupon network to uncover a single hottest opportunity of the moment, right? So I think for the top three, we have the benefit of showing the actual demo, right? Let me just have that in hand. Because we have that. We probably have that on YouTube. Let's just check the. Oh, let me just see. Yard. Oh yeah, I didn't add that to the stage. So yeah, so the hot flip. So for hot flip, we have yeah. Every time I need to add that to the stage so that he doesn't get. Let me just double check the. So for Cal, let me just check his video over here. I'm just trying to find the video. Is it this one? Yeah, let me just double check if we have. Oh yeah, we have it over here. So for hot flip, so this is a demo of hot flips. Enjoy. All right, so let's move on to the next one. Let me just the best way I can do it is doing this, and make sure I share the, wait, let me, yeah, just changing the URL. So this tab is permanently. So oh, by the way, the third place, Cal won 300 USD. So second place, we have Henry with Google Start Your Day. So yeah, I think that was a really, really good presentation. So Google Start Your Day autonomously build a personal daily schedule by analyzing all your Google apps, right? So Google Gmail, Calendar, Google Meet, reducing mental load and helping users stay organized without having to decide what to do next, right? So yeah, it basically can scan all your G Suite and not only just scan, like you can go into, I guess you can go into detail about, what email and what calendar, do you have any meetings, right? Do a very quick summary on that. Uh, and then, yeah, and then build your personalized day schedule. Yeah, a lot of these, like even Google themselves with Gemini embedded with their workspace is not able to do that effectively since we're on Google Workspace. We knew that. So yeah, definitely a very good use case over here. So let's also check the YouTube submission here. Henry, congratulations winning the second prize. I think it's 500 USD. Now let's check the video. Yeah, let me just put it full screen is better. So now let's check the video over here. Oh, I think this is a live demo, which is nice. I'm gonna just fast forward that because it's gonna take a while. So the video is here. Let's place back speed. I think this is a live demo, which is nice. You see, it's Athena Autopilot is performing. It's checking the schedule. It's checking everything. By the way, the Athena Autopilot, you don't need to open it, right? You don't need to open it like this. You can minimize it. You will just do it on the background. You can minimize this when it's browser. So this is the browser that is controlling, and this is the autopilot. So you minimize both. He's showing us how it works. That's why he's not minimizing it. But when this is ongoing, yeah, you can just, it was reading the calendar, now it's reading the email, right? It's like then it will produce you like a report afterwards, right? Yeah, you see, you will even email you the report. Yeah, very good, very cool use case, right? So yeah, that's a very, very cool use case. So thank you for Henry for submitting, for making this agent. So now the big winner of this contest. Are you guys ready for that? So yeah, so the big winner winning $1,000 US. Are you guys ready to see the winner? So the winner is Eldar. So this one is QA automator. So the QA automator aims to automate repetitive, time-consuming tasks for QA teams, right? So such as regression test, UI validation, and API response verification. This is a very big use case, right? So basically for all the dev team, including ours, right now, you need less professional QA because it saves you hours of like checking regression of your app, right? So every time you want to make sure not only the new feature is working, but make sure that new update didn't break anything else. That's what we call regression test, right? It's so useful that we are using our own version of QA check like internally as well. So let's just go back to the YouTube. Let's showcase a bit about this amazing tool over here. Okay, this is we have sound over here. Let's just say the play back to maybe slightly faster. All right, you see, this is a really useful QA agent over here. Okay, thank you for Aldar, and congratulations for winning $1,000. $1,000 is not a small number, guys. This is 1,000. All right, I think that's pretty much for the stream. Congratulations to the winners. We also updated our leaderboard, right? Let me just type out the leaderboard over here. So the leaderboard is here. So we type out our leaderboard. So right, so this is the top. Again, congratulations to Aldar, Henry, Kalangil, Luciana, Jessica for winning this edition of Athena AI agent competition. And the next edition will be in 2026. We're still working on that, either in February or March. We've been working on that. So yeah, and also congratulations for our dedicated like AI agent creators over here who who accumulate a lot of points for the past 5 editions. So we're gonna send some rewards in form of Snilo Cat gift very shortly as well, right? Not only where Snilo Cat means signed locally, so not only we are supporting the local builder, we're also supporting our local vendors, our local sellers. So yeah, and so yeah, good. And also most of our participants are Canadian, so and we are Canadian, so yeah, it's always good to support the local ecosystem and the local economy, right? So also we have something to review by next week on Black Fridays, which is our own Athena Shop and Athena Shop Mini. So if you are shopping on the Shop Mini app, pay attention to our logo over here. We're going to release our own add-on, own like mini application inside Shop app. So, all right, good. I think that's it. Have a good day, guys, and I hope you guys enjoy the weekend. And the next stream, I think I'm going to stream again at the same time next Thursday. I'm going to showcase one of the use case of AI agent myself. Another use case of AI agent by myself. So stay tuned, and I'll see you guys next week. Bye bye. Signing off.